You know what's weird? Perfectionists have one phrase they absolutely love. I'm just waiting until it's perfect. Sounds responsible. Sounds disciplined. Sounds like someone with high standards. It's usually none of those things. Most of the time, it's fear wearing a really expensive suit. You rewrite the same email 6 times. You spend 3 hours researching the best workout instead of doing one push-up. You organize your desk before working, then organize your desktop, then somehow end up watching a video called How Ancient Romans Stored Bread. Congratulations. You were productive at avoiding the thing you were supposed to do. So why does your brain keep doing this? Because perfectionism isn't trying to make you successful. It's trying to keep you safe. The trap now, that sounds strange. After all, perfectionism feels productive. You're planning, editing, researching, double-checking. You're doing something. But here's the catch. Movement and progress aren't the same thing. Imagine two people standing at the edge of a swimming pool. One spends an hour checking the water temperature, stretching, reading reviews of the pool, watching YouTube videos called Top 10 Pool Jumping Mistakes. The other person, they just jump. Guess who actually learns how cold the water is? That's perfectionism. You're polishing a car that never leaves the garage. So what's really going on? If perfectionism isn't about having high standards, then what's causing it? Here's the sneaky part. Fear almost never says, don't do it. That would be too obvious. Instead, it whispers, just fix one more thing, one more edit, one more course, one more week, one more Monday. Funny how one more somehow turns into 6 months, because the real fear isn't making mistakes. It's being seen making mistakes. The second you post the video, launch the business, walk into the gym, or ask someone out, people can judge you, and your brain hates that possibility. So it gives you the safest option of all. Do nothing. But here's the irony. You can't be judged if nobody ever sees what you're capable of. Here's what changes everything. Think about someone who's really good at what they do, a creator, an athlete, a musician. You probably see the polished version. What you don't see is the mountain of awkward attempts underneath it. Their first video, probably painful. Their first speech, probably sounded like they forgot how breathing works. Their first design, let's just say, hopefully it stays buried. Nobody starts looking confident. Confidence is what happens after you've embarrassed yourself enough times to realize, I'm still alive. That's why action builds confidence, not the other way around. The challenge. So here's something to try today. Stop asking yourself, is this perfect? Ask something better. Is this good enough to teach me something? Because every imperfect attempt teaches you something perfect planning never will. Perfectionism promises you'll be ready someday. Action makes sure that day actually arrives. So send the message. Upload the video, start the workout, mess it up, learn, repeat. Because perfectionism isn't the opposite of failure. It's the cousin of procrastination. And if you're always waiting for perfect, you're really just giving fear a nicer name. Don't let it make your decisions anymore.